Well, today is the day 26 of the nationwide lockdown that was imposed to contain the spread of the COVID-19 across the country, and at this point of time, India has breached the 15,000 mark. More than 500 people are dead. Well, at this point of time, as the Health Ministry has suggested, Health Ministry has revealed that there is some relief as the recovery rate, the number of people who are recovering from the COVID-19 are able to fight back the disease is improving at 14.19%, which is higher than what it has been in the past few days. So if we look at the scenario at this point of time, then there are 22 districts across 12 states that have not reported a single case in the past 14 days, which is a good news. But on the other hand, India is stepping up all the efforts, and the major challenge that remains is kick-starting the economy, as it was earlier released by the government that by 20th of April, all those places, all those zones that are not affected by COVID-19, are free from COVID-19, will be allowed to restart some sort of economic activity in order to uplift the rural India, the poor of the country, the farmers. So on Saturday, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh chaired a meeting of the group of ministers at his residence to look at the ways to restart and kickstart the economy. As we know that our economy has suffered during this lockdown, there has been no activity. If all the businesses are shut, there's a complete lockdown, but the government is now looking at how to restart the economic activity. Apart from the essential services, we know that nothing has been functioning right now, but the government is now looking at how to ease out that part, how to bring respite to those who are suffering because of this lockdown. And followed by that, Home Minister Amit Shah also reviewed the functioning of the COVID-19 boardrooms, as it has been buzzing ever since the lockdown came into place. So at this point of time, Maharashtra remains the worst hit state with more than 3,600 cases, and more than 300 cases were reported in the past 24 hours. And one thing which is worrisome at this point of time is that Dharavi, Asia's largest slum, has reported at least 117 cases so far. Now that is something that is very worrisome, that if the coronavirus, if the COVID-19 spreads in Dharavi slum, then it would become very difficult, very challenging for the government to go for contact tracing, as it is one of Asia's largest slum. So at this point of time, the government is taking all kinds of measures. If you look at the bookings of the flights, there was some confusion on the fact that whether the bookings will be opened from the 4th of May, as Air India had opened the bookings, but there was a clarification that came from the government that there's still no clarity on that. They're still mulling on it. There's still a decision to be made on the fact that whether the flights will be operational from the 4th of May or not. Most likely, it looks like it will not be functional from the 4th of May. Sources are hinting at the fact that it could happen at least 10 days after that. There's still a decision pending from the government on that. Well, that's all in this video. Keep watching us, stay safe, maintain social distancing, wear a mask when you go out, use a hand sanitizer, wash your hands very properly, and stay connected. And keep watching One India English.